This video, I'm gonna show you how to add mods to your Binding of Isaac Repentance. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I need to come to Binding of your Isaac page right here on Steam. So you need to click on Binding of your Isaac, okay? And you will see this option right here, Workshop, okay? So by this site support Workshop, you click on top, and here you will see several mods to add to your Binding of Isaac Repentance, okay? So here you can browse by tag, and you need to find that mod that you want to add to your Binding of Isaac. In my case, I will add this mod just for example. So click on the mod that you want to add and click to subscribe on the mod. You will notice that Steam will download the mod, okay? And you need to wait to Steam download the mod. After doing that, you click to play the game, okay? So play the Binding of Isaac. Then you need to come to your save, come to mods, and here you need to press tab to enable the mods, okay? After doing that, you will select the mod that you want to use. In my case, I have 4 mods right here. And if I want to turn off one mod, I just click on enter, clicking on top, okay? So if you want to turn on, just click on enter again. And that's it, you already added the mod to your Binding of Isaac Repentance, okay? Now if you want to play with the mod, just come again to this page and start a new run with the character that you want to play. I hope I helped you how to add mods to Binding of Isaac Repentance. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.